welcome to September 2018 Stitch Fix unboxing. It's finally cooler today, so I'm very happy. Here we go. Item number 1. I think I pinned this, maybe, something like it. That's fun. Cute. Here's the first blouse. I think it's kind of cute. It's not like, I don't think it's super flattering because I don't know, I'm not used to this little ruffle thing, but I think it's cute. It'll look cute with stuff over it. I never wear this color. It's fun. Why not? Okay. Item 2. Oh, I think I might have pinned this too. Oh, how exciting. Isn't that cute? Adorable. I love this. Oh, by the way, if you didn't notice, I don't have my partner. My video recording partner is exhausted from a day of 6th grade and she just wants no part of this today. This is really cute. It's kind of like 2 different materials. And I had pinned it. My stylist, Emma, said she saw it on my board and put it in the fix, and I love it. Cute. Item 3. Oh my gosh, this is very me. It's just like a little sweater hoodie. Wow. This makes me very happy. I swear I was just picturing this exact thing in my head even though I've never seen it before. Perfect. Gray sweater hoodie. This is the most perfect, possibly most perfect thing I ever got in a box. I know it's not exciting and it just looks like a hoodie, but it's just the perfect hoodie because it's not schlubby in like a sweatshirt. It's sort of like a sweater. And I have gone through some of these in my life so much. Like I traveled with one like this once and I had to throw it in the garbage because on the trip it just had like a hole and the zipper broke because I wore it till it was garbage. So this is really, it's very exciting. I am easy to please. Item 4. Oh, we got some black, skinny, stretchy jeans. They look perfect. Oh, I hope they fit. Yay. I love the pants. They're just black, long pants. They're just like the most wonderful pants. Just overjoyed with this whole box. I just want those shoes to work. Can you feel the suspense? Anyway, pants are great. Item 5. I see a shoe bag. I asked for booties. Oh my gosh. Look at these. They might be perfect. I hope they fit, these little gray booties. You don't need to see these on, but you need to know that they fit. They're not like, I'm not gonna wear them to Great America or like, you know, walk a half marathon in them, but they're comfortable enough to wear to work and they're cute. I'm so excited about this fix. And I have gift certificates from my family because it's birthday time, and so this one I don't even have to pay for. Oh, thanks for watching. Bye.